Tengin start no. Dan bentang kasih ngilek kenika chapter ratio and proportion. Tingin lihat tangki solve assignment. Teki konsep EA kalau don't lupa hapok classroom. Kalau mencek ke video kadang ketika PPT ru ang tu sampai nyaki mah. Banding kong do pindah EM hang ni. Kena ketika problem banding kong. Mah, tak kumpa julong am. Ka problem banding kong am. Man ka por sa David ka angkom na ka bakham suk. Ma belong tang kumba warm up kum tu mah. Tak kada kan. Okay ta. Kong nah ni. The total number of students in school is kini kedeka total number mah. Total number day prasma khatsan. If the number of girls in the school is 614 kini kedeka second sentence. Kedeka number jongki kentai mah. Laispa 100%. What is the respective ratio of the total number of boys to the total number of girls? Tini ka angkom nah total number of boys to the total number of girls mah. Ta hang ni si sempet ka total philayo kanu kadai plaspa khat khandai. De yaki kenthai kadai kanu laispa 100%. De yaki shenrang phnya kom no total minus yaki kenthai mah sayo. De khandai shimno asaw sasasan dan khatwei shimno 100 khatwei shimno 100 sa san tu sa mah takatu. Okey tenang baklara kati kanya be mah tenang ni pen sayo sa praspa khat khandai ketika total number jengki student haka kelas mah dan ki kenthai kidang kanu laispa 100%. Dalam pi minus pinyo kishin rang kidan sauspa 100% mah. Teka question ni kong pi find the ratio of boys to girls mah. The boys thang ni playo kani de boys kani de girls mah. Temba number hapo ka question kong boys ni kong makan 1 4 5 5 is to 3 6 4 mah. Teknik kedeka ratio mah. Teknik number lada ki ai ratio janman ka por ki angkom no yale ban pendrit kan mah. Lada pi pendrit ya kan pinhab ban kan mah. Tah pindah ya pom pilaban ya pom kan ni song ni ada tah kanila da pia pom mostly la kayo answer kan ya mut pila ban tho answer kan mah telada kamiyo pinhaban shibwat ya HCF mah piwat ya HCF ya kan belan pom kan ya pia kan no hang ni kan wan 364 by 455 mah tadi 1364 mah hang tu saya ada aha kata film yo hani punya tang 191 ya 364 divide da 91 divide 91 saya 4 thousand iway sao kendai lai pendeh buat uni 91 mah tah nang tu playo uni de HCF mah udi HCF 91. The 455 divide da 91. Ada divide 455 ni kong divide da 455 da 91 mah. San iway san kendai sa pusan mah. Dan pia san. The next ya uni laispa 100% da kendai. Okay ni sa dan pia sa. The answer yang pia hendak kendai san is to 5 is to 4. Kene ka answer yang pia mah. Te pindale kom kini ki question pipuli baha ye kini ka section mah. Ka ratio of the total number of boys to the total number of girls. Hani ka oning kong boys tarang ibu boys ning kong mah. Hadin ka ong girls. Te ye kini phimla banong ulta. Nama lada philong ulta pi bakala. Ya kini ka jakan kala 5 is to 4 punya 4 is to 5 mah. Dayo kane mood which is wrong mah. Takadaw dah pulih bahama. Kemana kong boys neng kong 2 girls. Takadaw long B is to G. Next one 5 is to 4. Takane hang ne kadeka ka system berfin niki HCF mah hang ne. Ini yang tu dan hang ne divide you sau san une. Next divide you sau hundred sau kane saya 5 is to 4 kane deka answer jang pi mah. Tah. Wood ini cakap next one mah. Kane macam kalau ayat palat campur. The ratio of present age of Sushma and Karishma is 6 is to 7. Ketua penengkong mah. The ratio of the age 8 year hence would be ketua respectively. What will be the respective ratio after 12 years? Okay. Dah. Dah ni ka first sentence hang ni ka angkom no. The ratio of age of Sushma to Karishma is 6 is to 7. Makan 1 6x by 7x. Ketua kelak day mah. Benengkong hajrong kadeka Sushma hapo deka Karishma. Ketua kadeka ratio jongki mah. Dah. Next ni ka angkom no. I'll change the color. The ratio of the age 8 year hence. 8 year hence mut hadian prasnam mah. Mut hadian prasnam would be 8 is to 9 mah. Takani kendeka equation 1 jong pi. Te jan baro ki students ki klumar pha hang ne. Te takada hang ne pi iu ne udak ko bang tho hakaba saw ko first part kedeka kini ka dak basau. Hakani ka second part 8 year hand ngatho plus 8 mahadian prasnam. Dahadian prasnam baru arngut kilong plus pra would be 8 is to 9. 8 is to 9 kadai kani mah 8 is to 9 kadai kani mah 8 is to 9. Tenang tu way flyo kani pinham simplify. Tanada fi simplify indirectly p cross multiply mah u9 ya kane u8 ya kane mah definite akum no reduction kandai nya san po sau x te nyu po r dan prasin nyu san po hundriu x prasin pra long hundriu po sa mah ta hang ni pindah simplify bien pinyo akum no. Pinjau example mah uni u 54x undara asas ni siliang ukala minus mah. Ta again uni u 64 direction ni siliang ukala minus mah. Temat san pendriu x minus san pausau x equal new r minus new pausau or 2x equal 100% new r minus 100% pinyo prama or x is equal pra by r pinyo 4. Mut x is equal 4. The way fly your x is equal to 4 then directly p find yakanika original age kan kanema. The p find yakanika. Ane kalong kamno kong 6x mah. Kanukam na ka Sushma kalong 6x then Karishma kandai 7x mah 6 into x day 4 and 7 into 4 1000 long arpo sao 1000 arpo sao 1000 nhau long arpo pra mah ta flyo kanika i chang ni. Hang ni kaong kumno pan ka question kaong ka respective ratio after 12 year. After 12 year Sushma will become 24 plus 12 Karishma kanlong 28 plus 12 mah. The kenchwa kane kanlong sao san hundriu kanlong 36 kane kanlong arpo laifo 40 kang Sushma to Karishma 36 is to 40 แต่กันเนี้ยพี่เต็บได้เลยดูพันไดป้อมให้ดูขึ้นได้พันไดป้อมให้ดูขึ้นได้เสียก่อนนะขึ้นได้เซนส์sorry ไม่ได้ดูขึ้นได้ดูสาวมั้งสาวเซนขึ้นได้เลยพันเรียวสาวเซนชิบเอาทำกันได้9 is to 10มั้งแต่กันเนี้ยกันได้ก็อันสายจังพี่มั้งแต่กันนี้กันได้ก็ simple formula กับพี่พินเหลี่ยมมั้งแต่ shortcut method หังเนี้ยกันลองกันเนาะกุมบะพิเล่กันนี้หังเนี้ย wait I'll choose different pen this oneกุมบะพิเล่กันนี้ this section พิเล่หังนี้เราก็จุกัน 6x hadin kan asnam plus 12 7x plus 12 tang ni pinyo ka jo pinyo ka no 24 plus 12 28 plus 12 tip sayo 36 by 40 sayo 9 is to 10 ma ta kanir ko de ka jo ka answer 9 is to 10 kane ba kane kilong equal ma tip saji di ka way pijit da kane ka bolong simple na kane pat kana shortcut tama kalong a bit complicated ma nomor hang ni ya phi bakla this one lan bakla ne kane pat kalong very detail hang ni phi find chuke jong ko sushma krishma la ka jong then phi find after 12 years hadin 12 years sa shimeka ratio ma te tangkam to hi te mostly ki problem jong ki ages kide na pok ne ka ratio and proportion ma te kan sang ne kide 9 is to 10 ma ta the next the ratio of age of Richa and Chelly is 5 is to 8 kene ka jo 5x by 8x ma the ratio of the age 10 year hence come out plus 10 would be 7 is to 10 ma te to hi kalong kumno ba kaniru directly naka first statement p of 5x is to 8x ma 5 is to 10 then after that sai use kumno kahane ka second line ko ong ba after 10 years ma 10 years will be 7 is to 10 that equals 7 is to 10 ta kane ka dai hado hang ne ma ta hado ang ne la yo equation 1 te ya kane sa simplify hi ma sa simplify hi hadin ba phla yo you know x da phla yo know x is equal ka 2m then sa find ka present age dong ka Shelly ma the Shelly hang ne ka de ka no Shelly ka de 8x ma then Richa ka de 5x ma te shlong careful tang ya ka ne ka ratio number 5 is to 8 Risha to Shelly ma te Risha ka de 5x ka Shelly de 8x te we hang ne fly yo x sa find hi ya ka age dong ka Shelly ma तो hopefully you can put your answer here nomor kasuk and then next pansih por ta kani kali kaba khat ar the total number of boys is or total number of boys in the school is 15% more than the total number of girls in the school kani kali ka first statement then kamna what is the ratio of the total number of boys to the total number of girls in the school? More than the total number of boys in the school. The hang near. She's in Pajam. Feel on come no back. Total number of boys in the school is 15% more than the total number of girls. The example. Lana ki kan nama no more than the total number of girls in a school. Mulada ki can take it and she's pa ngod 100 G's the 100% more kanong 100 plus 15% yaki girls mo kani pa pinyo iki boys mo makade she's pa mo tumut ki lada ki can take it and she's pa ngod ki boys kanong kani kan 100 plus 15 kini kede ki boys at the end kenlang kanu ki boys at the end kenlang hispa khatsan mo taken takatu kede ka logic hang ne takadaw ngi sale ya kene hadian ming la le ya ka percentage mo. Jadi pi hang ni apakah tetangkam tu lah ada boys flyo kan no 115x, girls punya kan no 100x. Mo. Tah next. What is the ratio of total number of boys to total number of girls? Tang ni kan no boys to girls. Boys thang ni de shi spa khat san, girls de shi spa x x. To x x pia pom no. Dan hang ni pila punya pom da let's say pia pom sha da ban kham suk e pom sha da san mo. Tu lai pom san san r phau. San san r shi phau tam khat san la ka tu hi. The ratio jong boys to girls kan no r phau lai by r phau. Teknik kendeka answer jong pi. Te yakani ru takara phna check bale ngabu new stroke pi breakdown ya ka sentence into parts khnang ba fin suk ba fin solve ma. Malana pin breakdown ya ki question into parts jinjar ha ba fin khen ma. Takada. The most of the problem kalong ba fin translate from word equation into expression. Khnang ba phla ba fin khen ma expression ani ki equation ma. Ta next. The average age of a man and his son is 48 years. Again, hang ne kadeka first statement. The ratio of their age is 5:3. Ma, ta ratio jang ki age kini kadai 5:3. Ma, the hang ne use ka formula average. Takat kum ka average ki angkum no, fikano average. Sum is equal average into number. The hang ni ko angkom no hang ni. The average of a man kalong kom no 48 ma. Hang ni ka average of man kalong 48 ma. Hang ni ka dai 48 ma. The 48. The flyer ka ni ka average the hidden kam saya ka sum. The ka sum hang ni pimpat dia. The bapinyo ini kasam hang ni bapinyo ini kasam average value 48 bapinyo kasam phap fain nya ka number the number thang ni dan kong man and son. Man and son means 48 into kidan arngut into 2 kan. Tekni kedeka sum jangki 48 into 2 mot kalong ka no 96 mah kalong 96. Ta back to the equation. Kani again back up formula ka bangi use na do ka chapter average ma. Te hang ne playo kan kani. Te hang ne pat ka angkom no. Next question. The ratio of their age. Ka ratio jong ki age kalong 5:3 ma. So what is the age of the son? The menta flat tip baka ratio kalong 5:3 Tang ni pitip ru ba ka average nan ka sum jiki nam jiki kalong 96 ti flat kam no 5x pi khelang ya kas nam jiki ken plus 3x is equal to 96 ma. Tato. The next thing if you sun but lie long ra x equal 96 ma. Again, next unu ek pra le chini siliang. Le siliang here shapo am tu ma. X is equal 96 by 8. The pra divide the khnai phunrio phnyo kan no. Phnyo khat ar kan. Teto menta flayo ya uni x ude khat ar. Then hani kom no, what is the sun age? Age of sun Usan hang ni udah kan no 3x mod 3 into 12 kan no 36 ma. Ta nada ka papan ya kasan jong man pat man udah 5x long san sien khat a long kan no hendro pho ma. Tekini artli kedeki answer ma. Tabeleng apa ni kali pi man ru kenang ba pinum confuse ma. Tekani 3x by 5x pio nang no pio na kenika ratio 5x 5:3 tekulong 5x 3x then pi use ka average ba pinyo ka sum pi ken ka sum pinyo ka answer ma. Okay, ta ngin move next one. Marka buon ha ki assignments. Ta. The age of Nishi and Vinny are in the ratio of 6x into ta kani kalong kumna. After 9 years, ta kani kalong 6x by 5x. After 9 years, the ratio of the age is kato. After 9 years, mod plus 9. Niru plus 9. Kalong katno 9 is to 8. Ma. Daya kan niru ngelap lek kato sa try ban solve fi ma. Tadian ba fi solve fi pi find ya ka age jong ka Nishi nang ta bat Nishi minus ya ka age jong ka Vinny ma VIN EE knang ba pinyo ekene ka answer ma. Tekene first we have simplify pin find new x. Dalam find new x, we find that age jong ka Nishi, ta minus ka age jong ka Vinny, kenang punyo kene ka difference jong ka age jong ki. Tangkap tu hi punyo kene ka answer ma. Tekaniru ngla ngatle sa ken hi ba punyo answer ba pindup nang ma. Tahan move on. Next one. The next. The difference between the present age of Arun and Deepak is 14 years ma. Okay. Kani ke thu ba ka difference jong u Deepak Arun ba Deepak kadai khat south nem ma mut u he wene ki u he khat south nem ma. The example jong la da u Arun u dei x years ma u Deepak undai x plus khat sama yes. Takatuna yo tang statement 1. The 7 years ago mut min sham mut nyaus na min shwa. The ratio of the age was 5:7. The nyaus na min shwa mut x minus 7 katu hajram x plus 7 x plus 14 ma x plus 14 minus pihak minus jauh ni 7 years ago 7 long kat no kan 5:7 ta away pula yo kan equation 1m kala kam sok if you can be simplify ya kan be find ya u x ma da pula find u x bisa find sa u Deepak. To Deepak ni dekat no. This is Deepak ma. This is Deepak's age. X the Deepak's age ni kan kat no. Deepak kan no x plus 14. Dekat pio ang ni plus 14 pinyo kan ka answer jang pio ma. Tekan ni ro kaju hi sa try sa ken hi ba pinyo ka answer kena also ba pindup nang ma. Dong 7 years ago komut min shamsnam takana p minus number ago is the past tense. Jadi kang 7 year hence mut kalongka future tense mut plus 7 ma. Nanti kang after 7 years after mut kadi future tense mut plus. Dong before mut min shwa mut minus ma. Di kini kita waju confuse ma. Then move on. Makibun ha kini ki assignment kok batai tok nang ba pindup yan nang lot ma. Ta sakane ka ba khat pra. Ta. Nina, Vikash and Manav enter into a partnership. Mut kini langot ki perlok ki mut seng business ki dan ka partnership kilaya te so scholar. Nina invest some amount at the beginning. Ha ka bas dang who invest u Ninan ma. Vikas invest double the amount after 6 months. Tahadian ningkong sang mano Ninan. Tahadian rubana Vikas u invest double the amount tang matang. Adian rubana ma. Then Manav invest thrice the amount invest by Ninan after 8 months. Tahadian pra banai padam u join sa u Manav ma. The pendapat hang ni baro ki kuat lagi dan partnership mut hakapor sedang uninat marway hadin ribnai ujon wikas hadin pra benai ujon manaf mah. The taken. They earn a profit of 45,000. The what is manaf share. The kum kini ratio and proportion kiya napoka partnership mafin hapain niki share jong ki ken mah. The shop in Kenya the menta pin assume bet namang niki clap my amount pi assume bet baki invest ken mah. Ta first let's do it ninat mah. The uni ninat invest kamno. Let's say you invest 1 rupees. 1 rupees kat no benai maru invest na ro bas dang debit kat ar benai mah. Ta tu ninat. Ninat is to mana wajan kong vikas. Vikas par ujang double the amount. Double the amount mut 2. The kat do benai after 6 months. After 6 months mut sa satang kat ar benai mah. Sa satang ru benai. Miru into 6 mah. The next then manaf. Manaf invest thrice. After 8 months mut hadin pra benai. Dadat pra benai dong kendai benai, sepo benai, kadui benai, kat ar benai. Kat ar benai mut sa stang sau benai mah. Ta. The hang ni jan bun hai ki ki confuse mah. Namar hakapor ba pi ken ki partnership dalam kum ki pi ken ki benai ki basa. Mdai ba invest mah. Kum example uni uvikas invest after 6 months. Mut la hadin siteng senam. Terang-terang hendru benai basa. Tanaf multiply 6. The second part uni manaf. Manaf invest after 8 months. After 8 months mut kadu benai invest hakashi senam dan kat ar benai mah. The kat ar minus pra pisa sa sao mah. The takada honik salong 3:4. Uni 3 per angkam no namar 3 times. Thrice. Mah takadaw 3 times. Dan uvikas beli hang ni I2 into 6 namar invest double. Double lane twice kadai 2 mah. Dan hang ni nginsa ken. 1:12 long 12. Arsen hendriau kat R. License sao kat R. Tekan ni indirectly kelong 1:1:1. Kani kadika ratio jongka investment jongki. The most important pinap pain kani ka ratio jongka investment naka ratio of investment pisa pain saya ka share haka profit mah. The okay ngal ayo ka ratio of investment mah. Kani kadika ratio of investment mah. Nakani ka ratio of investment pi kenya ka share jongka profit mah. Ta mentah katip ba 1:1:1. Kalong sok bahamut kiyo ke investment kalong kaju borok langut. Di lana fi fine ka share padam. To fine ka share hang ka ong jong manaf mah. To manaf share hang ni kadai 1 mah. Divided by hang ni fi divide ka total share. Ka total share hang ni mafinya ka total share pi ada bikinnya baro 1 2 3 mah. Tanam nuk salong 3 mah. 1 plus 1 plus 1 salong 3. Into profit. Profit hang ni dekat no 1,000 mah. 1,000 tu kan. Tekan ni dekat share jong manaf mah. Let's do manaf. Hang ni fan pom license iway license katsan. The katsan sin iway kanong katsan hi mah. Then manaf share kanong katno katsan 1,000 tingkah mah. Tekani ka answer jong pi. Dan janman kapur kabai bun ha ki kena ki find problems kadai kani. Kan mau lada kim mention mudai kat ar benai mah. Then piken ya ki benai ki balaf mah. Then after play kani pindan kam saya kani ka ratio of investment. Dia baru ki profit ki baki share ki kenya poka ratio of investment mah. Tekani ka ansang ni kendai katsan 1,000. Baru manaf yo katsan 1,000. Namar ni ka 1 is nang magni ka thok no 1:1:1. Manaf yo katsan vikas yo katsan. But ninaru katsan. tak ni mut yo kan no ka share jong umana ha ka profit dei khatsan hajar mo ta and move on ta poe ka ba 11 ma ta arfuwe ta in a college the student in arts and commerce faculty were in the ratio 4:5 mo to deka first sentence when 65 more students join commerce faculty the ratio become 8:11 to deka second part mudang ni pi art 65 yaka commerce mo how many students are there in art faculty ta kaniro kasim na bakti ki barem te in short hang ni ko angkom no art is to commerce mo art is to commerce ma the originally kalong ka no 4:5 ma originally kalong 4:5 x ma te ja yo ni hadian pi angkom no 65 more student join commerce mud commerce kri sapo mud na plus 65 the hadian bi kla join kini hai commerce ka ratio become ka no 8:11 8:11 question 1 ta kanir kum jo ya kabasa ngan ya phisia ba fin khen hi mo ta namar pina penmien man khen ya kum kini ki word problems knang ba fin yang ka clear jengir kanong shat kanya bi word ngi salam khen ya ki answer mo ta hang ne phi khong kum no phi fai ne ka number jong ki hapo arts bat ka commerce mo arts ka ka question tama phi fai lang word arts and commerce multiply fai nu x la yo baro ar mo tekanir sale hi dan next ma arfu ta Sarah bought a boutique investing an amount of 50,000 today full stop with first sentence 6 months later Nita joined her with 80,000 at the end of the year they earned a profit of third sentence what is Sarita share in the profit ma ta the hang ni first of all la da mention ka kuno Sarita ka sa de ka boutique ma the first Sarita kalong ka no 50,000 namar na do basang maka mur kastang bet naka first month ma into 12 is to Nita ma Nita join her with 80,000 80,000 te kong kom no 80,000 6 months later hadian ru banai te hakisnam dang khat ar banai te hadian ru banai long khat ar minus rio long rio mo rio te way flyo ya kani pi fanya ka investment ratio mo kani investment ratio kan man kan no kani sansen khat ar kan long sansen khat ar kan long rio pho mo rio pho kan we ar laisa dan hang ni rio sin phra kan wan sau pho phra mo kan wan we ar laisa the investment ratio kan wan kum to the next south likinot phia pom no te hadin katu phia pom da u sausin khat ar sausin iwei khat san the next hang ni phia pom sa da u lai sin san the investment ratio kan long 5:4 teknik deka investment ratio the way fla yo investment ratio pi find sai ka share mo the Sarita share the Sarita share ngi deka no day 5 dan ka Nita kan day 4 mo ta Sarita share ngan khenya kan Nita sa khen phi ya ka Sarita mo the Nita share mo Nita share kano 4 5 plus 4 kalong 9 profit kalong khat phra hajar mo te kane an pom khandai sin R មក the not the thousand R ក្នុង thousand R ប្រាហាចាកនេះគេកា Nita share មក the next មកពីfin fine នេះអីពីfin fine នេះកា Sarita share មក Sarita share ភ្ញក់ណាគេភ្ញក់ណាកនេះកា investment ratio មកទីfin fine នេះកា Sarita share fin saya yaនេះកា answer ចុងកនេះកា question ហងនេះមកតែបលេងអ៊ីខ្នាំងបើភ្នាំងបានខេញមកតែ still ឡាដាភីមី then maybe nga sa yaram bi phi ban iya ka proper solution the in short kalong kum no kam dai hira ka ba e tang ba phnong million ken ban fai na ka share kalong ba similar kum ne the nita share dai 5 4 the sarita dai 5 mo sarita dai 5 the nita dai 4 that's all ukundai udan hapo then ka amount ka ne ka profit ru ka dai ka shimna ka ne mo khat phra ka dai ka ne hi ya khat phra ma ketika total amount of profit dia tak kadau kan ngasali ketika chapter ha dia ba dap ya ka percentage maklong similar technique ba fin use ma to hanya sa next biang tengah kwa ban pendap ya baru ke assignment let's see ngadap ne ma the last and second largest angle of a triangle are in the ratio full stop mo to ka first question ma next the smallest angle is 20% of the sum of the largest and the shortest angle what is the sum of the smallest and the largest angle ma smallest and the largest angle the largest and the second largest of triangle are in the ratio 2:2 แต่กันกัดกุ้มกับ ratio m พิลาบันอาร์ช่วยกันเป็นกองขัด r บัดอูขัดไลบัดอูขัด r then the smallest angle กำลัง20 of the sum of the largest angle what is the sum of it what is the sum of the smallest and the largest angle ma ta hangni kan IPM usain jong largest badu second largest ma badu second largest the smallest angle kadai 20% of the sum of largest and second largest the in short m phat a dikini kan a dikini plus kenika 20% ma dengan a kita ma cut line plus cut r plus 20% ma or kenika nong sun r fusan plus 20 by 100 ma jadi ni pada kena kena she's kena kena keserang okay hanya pom shwa kena ban sup kloi ban ken r4 iwe r4 san ma tanya saya kena 5 into 25 5 into 25 dan kesawan plus 1 by 5 next saya sampai option no shispa r% plus iwe by 5 mah ini saya show shispa r% by san mah tadi kalau tangka addition mah tuh teh hang ni okay teh kini ngapa kelas somewhere kini ngan ia postpone mah kini ngan 4 le kadang slam ngan sakowa hadir mah and go back to the next question ma the ratio of rose and lilies in a garden is 3:2 respectively kene ketika first statement ma rose udai 3 lilies dai 2 mah. The average number of rose and lilies is 180. What is the number of lilies in the garden? Kani akan mau use to ka same formula kamu batai sakmak kana. SAN tang ni playo kana. Average kandai 180. Tiki number kadai kana 2 handi playo ka sum. Dia kani akan mau ngalak penbatai P1. Chano kamdai kani ru dan bahaba fin solfi bapin nang mo kani pet na kini ka question ka bakat sanam the average of man and his son kani ru kolong exactly kumju kasipher tangki numbers mo kasipher tangki numbers namar kani ru kasim concept of use pure ka sum dan pi alang kini ka ratio mo this ratio 3:2 din kata safai ni number jong ki lilies but ki rose kenang ba pinam nang baro arma. Next. Toh kani kedai ka ba safau san. Kini tang sepet directly fla back involve percentage ma. The 80% of a number is equal to 3/5 of a number ma. So angkum no mostly first number ma. Let x and y be the two numbers ma. 80% of a number 80 by 100 of x ma is equal to 3/5 of another number ni day y ma. Another number day y. What is the ratio between the first and the second number? The first would do x, second day y ma. The hang ni shua pun kenyam ele ban ya pom sama. The uni unot ber uni unot. Arsin sao arsin san. Tang ni pio kan no. 4 by 5 x dan hapu hajrong. Then 3 by 5 y ru dan hajrong ma. The again pindak kan mau hakapor bengile ya ke kini ka chapter simplification ma. Simplification kaja kom no ya kini ki number pang ni kim dan plus ni kim dan minus ma hakane. The file kom no p multiply by 5 ma. 4 by 5 x 3 by 5 3 by 5 x p multiply the 5 ma. Telada p multiply the 5 baru kan ka whole equation kan long true ma. Telada beli p multiply the 5 in short ma punya pom kan san. Tang ni pio kan no equal 4x equal 3y ni di ma. Tenang ni hani ko kom no ratio between the first and the second. The first ni day x dia uni y pira stay usia no sapo ma. Tu ni ulai dan lupa hajrong. Tu ni usau mau dan udar let satu siliang ukla sapo ma. Takan ni kedeka ratio bagi pan jau first number baru second number ma. Te jan bun ki student hapol bagi express ya kan ni. Kisat baklab Nomor ba takada nomor ba lada por pi kenyam naka words haki equation dan expression kimda pulih takada pulih tapi ngai pom chau ni nomor 2 prapo percent prapo by hispa pia pom cha bo ndut number knang bansuk ban ken tedala sok ban ken ngasa simplify ter ding kata ngasa bo ratio x is to y ngasara bisa siliang dan ngasasak uni x is to y hangnya dan uni usa yang saka right hand side ngsayo x is to y is equal 3 is to 4 mah ta Answer ni kan dai 3:4 mah. Next. Terus tengah itu li ngila ada kapur kalau nangyat. The respective ratio between the present age of father, mother, and daughter is kata. The difference between the mother and the daughter is 24 years old. Today ka second. Kata ka first statement, and the second statement, kong for the age. Dah ni ka ratio ka first ratio ka day 7:6:2. Kani kay father is to mother is to daughter mah. So father ni day 7x, mother day 6x, di ulam nang 2x mah. Di pina check pada kani ka statement ka baar kong no. Difference between mother and daughter age. The mother ni day no 6x minus daughter day 2x kalau kat no 24 years mah. Tenang ni P5 new x kan. The way fa yo kan ni ngatip ba pindah pak kan pi pilala kan ni mah. Taruh ngan cupen kan. Henry x minus rx long 4x is to 24 or uni 4 udlet chene uhiar siapa mah. Or x is equal 24 by 4 hani pia pom 1000 x is to 6 mah ta father age ni kom no 7 into 6 nang kan no sao pho ta ka to ka dei ka answer jong phi mah. What is the father age at the present? Take a father age at the present kalong sao pho They just in case like find ka mother kalong 6 into kani 6 into x day 6 kalong listen real life real mah. The next daughter age mah. Daughter age kalong 2 into x day 6 kalong khat mah. The hang tu hi teng em ya liat man tum ni ban khen lang ba ro khang tip kan. U khpa de so pa snam ka kemi de life real snam ka khun de khat snam mah. The connect day answer junkie. The kumki near Lara Piso 2 so the not haven't can. The Lara Pim so 2 but Pikluma. The Catrick hang near by fin can kalong break down sentence by sentence. Can take a first one, ma. The depth of first one, second deka, second one. The again, can you take a first equation, ma, nakaneka first sentence. Can you part kadinaka second equation. Then solve your answer, ma. Kalau jerong hi ka kelas plus kila board systems almost kan rip tili mah. Te jan majority ngala chu pen solve nasdang haban solve hi mah. Next 47. 28% members of a certain group are married. Full stop mod katukan mah. What is the respective ratio between the number of married members to the married of unmarried members kan. Jadi ni temus kala ka nada piso 2 kasuk ba. Hakni ka first ko angkom no 28% kidiki married mo. Te lada kidiki married arfu phra ki unmarried kilong kan no 100% minus 28 pinyo 72% are unmarried mo. Arfu phra percent married unmarried kidai hinyo 4%. Teknik angkom no find the number of married members. Married members by unmarried. The married kidai 28, unmarried kidai 72. Mah. Tekatu kidai ka ratio. Mah. Te wala kidai ni ka ratio kani kadang he ha pinhaban pom. Sausin. Kidai pom kani sausin nyau dan sausin me. Ya pom sada sama. Let's see lane. Sausin nyau arfu pra. Sausin iwe sau tamna pa sausin kat sausin pra lepu arma. Teknik kan dekam no. Married is to unmarried kan long 7 by 18. Takani ka answer jong pi. Takani tang marsen pejam pin I klumar pin I tieng ba namar umdan data. The only data ka ba ne data kan ka 28%. The Janman ki problem de ki data kan dia ram like what you shap tieng ma te pi pet ya step by step ni. Kani ka first equation. Tenang tu part hang ni directly ka pan ba ikini ka question ma. Tenaya kani ka question ka ba hang ni direct ka question married to unmarried. Te flat bi barala alpha percent pla pa niki unmarried. Unmarried ni puar. Te bisa use kan kani married to unmarried bisa yo nyau is to 18 ma. Ta kelas 1 la pra ba je tengdang la bi sakawi ma. Ta present age of father and son are in the ratio katu kenal kani ke age kaniru kum kiti bahasa kaman mah to udah no father and son father 6x son x mah to ada first equation. Second equation 4 years after mut hadian saus nam mah 4 years after, the ratio of the age become 4:1. What is the sum of previous age? Kaniro ka khamsuk ngamut pun le kumbale sakmat tamang atharai ka bhabangan no knang baphin nang kloi ma. Ta kaniro musikum kitiki age problem kemudian chajrang pipet jikitoru dan bisa solve accordingly ma. Tangni fin find ka ya u x after find u x bisa involve chikne ka ratio hangne ban find ka son badu father's age ma father age tangni son uday x bed no problem father uday 6x the mod 6 into question mark punya father age the son's age we fly u x mod fly u ma tetang kam tu hi pin thayo kiniki ka solution mah